It was my first time at Istanbul Airport, and I had a 7-hour layover before my next flight. At first, I was a bit nervous about spending so long in an airport, but I quickly realized it was more than just a place to wait. It was an adventure waiting to happen. As soon as I got off the plane, I was struck by the warm colors and open design of the terminal. The modern architecture, with its sleek glass and Turkish-inspired touches, felt both grand and inviting. I wasn't just a traveler anymore. I was a guest in a palace of wonders. I decided to start exploring right away, eager to see what lay ahead. The bustling duty-free shops were brimming with treasures, everything from Turkish delights and hand-painted ceramics to elegant perfumes. One particular shop caught my eye, its display overflowing with trays of golden baklava. A kind attendant greeted me with a warm smile and offered me a sample. The first bite was magical. The syrup-soaked layers melted in my mouth, while the pistachios added a delightful crunch. It was more than just a snack. It was my first taste of Turkey's soul. I couldn't help but feel a sense of awe as I walked further into the terminal. Every corner seemed to hold a story. Every moment offered something new to discover. Istanbul Airport wasn't just a stop on my journey. It became a part of the adventure itself.